Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fish and birds, welcome to your crash course in randomized block experiments. Now, what is it? It's a type of ANOVA. If you're like Fry here, this next slide is for you. In plain English, you could read that, but this is it. It's a way to see how factors interact. But wait, there is more. It's also a type of experimental design. Haha, yes, Pikachu it is. So, what does it do? Randomized block experiments is a way to organize data into blocks, hence the term blocking. And thus you could reduce variability and you can control nuisance factors, such like people who don't use their turn signal, or your roommate, or people who chew on popcorn too loudly in the movie theater. Now, here's an example. We have an engineer who wants to see which environment two different types of tire tread, asymmetric and or symmetric, is more appropriate for dry conditions or wet conditions. What do you think? And here we have 20 tires were subject to the test and were probably injured. Now here's our key. The engineer does believe that tire tread has an effect on the results. This is our key. And finally, do not try this at home because one of us may get in trouble. And here visually we have a chart. So we have our main key here, our blocking variable, the tire tread design. We got some arrows, we're going to fill those in. So we have our 20 tires split into asymmetric and symmetric. Going to randomly assign them into two groups, 5 tires of each. We have our group 1, our group 2, and likewise for the symmetric category, we have our group 1 and group 2. Going to our treatment conditions, which are dry and wet. Notice how they are both the same. And we're going to compare the results. That's basically an overview of randomized block testing. And now you can use blocking just like Lay's uses air instead of chips in their bags. And don't forget to rock the block.